I'm going to show you how you go from this to this. First thing I'm going to do, unscrew this, pop that down. Now as you see, I took that off. There's just two screws right here and right here holding this light onto the ceiling to take off these light bulbs. There's one, and here's the other. Also make sure no power. So see, turn off the power already. We're good to go, we're safe. And I do have the switch turned on. So if I did have power, it would show up there. So I took that down, unscrewed it, and this is what I have. Nice little mounting bracket right here. And the wires come together nice and easy on these wire nuts. So I'm going to take the white and the black apart and unscrew the ground right here. And as you can see with the new light, it has this nice little mounting bracket with the ground already attached. And up here, it's got a similar bracket with the screw for the ground. So it should just be a pop in and out type deal. It'll be almost identical. Alright, unscrew the old one, got the new one in. As you can see, it's still kind of loose. Once I get all the wires up, I'll center it. My house is over 100 years old, so I don't have much going on in here. See, it's an old box. Here's the hot. Here's the neutral. Here's the hot. And that's that. Since my new light is metal, the ground wire off the mounting bracket actually goes to the box in here. Right there, that's where I screwed it in at. See that? Right there. And then once I mount the light onto this bolt, all the metal will connect and it'll ground it. It's kind of neat. It's one less light one less wire I got to attach to the light. It grounds itself. Now the new light gives me these nice big wire nuts. And here's the issue. All the whites, which is 3 wires. Is that 1, 2, 3? They all have to go inside this wire nut along with the neutral from the ceiling. So let's see how this happens. Same thing with the blacks. The hot wires, the lead wires. There's 3 of them also. We'll see. So what I like to do is put all 3 wires in there together. I didn't twist them yet. I just stuck them in there. And you can see they're in there pretty good. So then once I do walk it up and hold on to it, I should just be able to put that extra wire inside the wire nut, spin it, and have them all connect. That's the plan. Something I do on occasion when it's difficult to hold on to the light while you need both hands free to connect the wires, I have this long piece of wood that I put on my floor in the middle of my ladder, and I just balance the light on this piece of wood so it'll hold the light up while I make the connection. See, it all went together. Makes it simple most times. It's not foolproof though, you gotta have the balance pretty good. I got all the wires hooked up. This center bolt here just screwed onto the mounting bracket that y'all saw earlier. It takes 3 light bulbs. I just put in 1 so I can see if the power works. And yep, we're good to go. Now I'm just going to put the other 3 in. Alright, I put in 3 matching bulbs. I know they're white. I'm going to go to the store sometime soon. I'm going to buy different bulbs that are clear so it looks better. But that's the end result. All 3 lights are in. And see, comes in, gives the ceiling a nice little glow. Also, something else with this light. This is actually a light from Temu. These end pieces can be angled down if I want. All three of them. But I kind of like the cage look. There we go. That'll be my finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.